वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। इट्स अर्पिता। सो आज मैं आप लोगों के साथ शेयर करने वाली हूँ यू गेट इट राइट। तो ऑब्वियसली आई एम सुपर एक्साइटेड। एज यू कैन सी ऑन माय फेस में पटाटो जैसे दिख रही हूँ, लेकिन यस जब मैंने वोग में देखा कि सेलेना गोमेज क्रिएटेड हर लाइक कैट आई मेकअप लुक, आई थॉट मुझे क्रिएट करनी है, मुझे फॉलो करनी है इनका मेकअप ट्यूटोरियल। बिकॉज मैं चाहती थी, मैं जब भी वोग की कोई भी मेकअप ट्यूटोरियल या फिर मेकअप सीरीज देखती थी, मैं चाहती थी कि मैं मेकअप लुक क्रिएट करूँ उन्हें फॉलो करके। लेकिन सेलेना गोमेज शी इज वन ऑफ माय फेवरेट, शी इज सो हम्बल। अगर आप वो वीडियो देखोगे वोग का तो आप फील कर पाओगे हाउ हम्बल एंड सो रियलिस्टिक शी इज। सो मैं चाहती थी कि मैं ये वीडियो बनाऊं आप लोगों के लिए एंड हियर आई एम। चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं आज की वीडियो। आई होप कि कहीं ना कहीं आप लोग ये वीडियो को जरूर एंजॉय करोगे। ये वीडियो आप लोगों को पसंद आए तो मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना बिल्कुल मत भूलना, व्हिच इज कंप्लीटली फ्री। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं आज की वीडियो। लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। सो आप देख सकते हो मैंने हेयर स्टाइल कुछ इस तरीके की करी हुई है क्योंकि उन्होंने भी इस तरीके का कुछ किया हुआ था। सो आई थॉट कि चलो मैं भी करती हूँ, क्योंकि एट लास्ट एट द एंड उनका मेकअप लुक के साथ ये हेयर स्टाइल जो है काफी अच्छा लग रहा था। सो यस मैंने जो है अपने हेयर को एकदम सेट कर दिया है विद सेटिंग स्प्रे एंड या आई एम लविंग इट। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं मेकअप लुक। और मैंने यहाँ पे रखी हुई है पीसी जो कि मैं उनको देखूंगी एंड बनाऊंगी और मैं स्क्रीन के ऊपर डाल भी दूंगी आपके लिए ताकि आप लोग भी देख सको। सो या लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड।
I like to use the skin soothing foam, and it actually helps because I have dry skin, but then
Okay guys, so she has dry skin and you guys already know, जो लोग मुझे follow करते हो, I also have बहुत ज़्यादा dry skin, so yeah.
So I love that, I did that. As for moisturizer, I love the PUJA.
This is using a moisturizer and obviously what she has I don't have, so obviously I will use my clinic का moisturizer. So yes, मैं apply कर लूँगी अपनी entire face पे।
Next step is for the Drunk Elephant sunscreen.
Then she is using a sunscreen lotion. So I do have mine and I have this Neutrogena ka Ultra Sheer Dry Touch Sunblock and yes, I will use it on all over my face as she is doing.
I'm going to be using my weightless foundation.
Okay, then she is using a foundation and she is using obviously a liquid foundation, so I will use a liquid foundation. I have my NYX ka liquid foundation, so I will use this one.
Blend that in.
Okay guys, so next she is using a concealer which is little bit lighter for her skin tone. So I will use this NYX ka concealer which is little bit lighter for my skin tone. So it is in the shade CW06 और I will apply जहाँ जहाँ पे उन्होंने apply करा है।
Next, these are my liquid blushes. Oh, by the way, this is my favorite. It's called Joy.
Is applying her liquid blush. I don't have liquid blush, so I will use a liquid lipstick which is in glossier side, so I will use that for my blush. So here I'll be using this one, this Maybelline New York matte 7 lipstick is a red undertone lipstick and she is applying a blush which is something like oranges and red undertone blush. So I will do that. I will be applying this shade.
So I'm usually putting my blush towards the top of my cheek.
Like she applied like this, so I will do that. She is blending it with a beauty blender, so I will do so. Oh my god, you guys, this is so pigmented. Oh my god. So I need to blend it well.
The Benefit Voila bronzer, and I kind of dust this a little bit around.
She's using a bronzer which is Voila bronzer, but I don't have that. I have my Wet n Wild ka contour palette. I will use this one. So yeah.
So I'm gonna start with a little bit of the kind of nudish color. And I'm gonna go along.
So Miss is using a nude palette to do her eye makeup. So I will use this Imagic Pro eyeshadow palette. I have all the new shades right over here. Just ignore this red and black. But we have here brown and all. So I will use this palette. This is using a nude shade, as you can see on her outer V right over here. So I will do that. I will use a new brown undertone nude color.
The edge. You could also use concealer. So I'm going to kind of go in to that shiny, and it has more of a lighter.
So Ness is using a lighter shimmer shade. So I will do that. I have these two shimmer shade right over here. So I will use this one because she's using a lighter shade. So yeah, I will use it here. My crease area.
Okay. Brush them out a little.
Brush our eyebrows. Okay, she's doing her eyebrows in a very natural way. So today I will do that. Otherwise, you guys know I paint my eyebrows. So yeah, I will do that.
Favorite. So I love this. This is something I wanted to be perfect because liquid liner can be such a nightmare. It can be really hard.
So guys, Ness is applying a eyeliner. She has a pen eyeliner, but I don't have. So I will use this one, NY Baker eyeliner. I really love this one. This is so pointed wala eyeliner. I really love it. Basically, she is creating a wing eyeliner. I got it how she is doing, so I'm going to follow her.
Basically start, if you're looking straight in the mirror, start where your eye, and next, if I want a little more, of course, is to go straight. My luminizer, I'll put it on little areas around my neck or my shoulders, whatever I want to feel like shiny and cute.
Guys, Ness is applying a liquid highlighter, and I have this Master Chrome highlighter from Maybelline. I don't have a liquid highlighter, so I will use this one. She's applying here and on her face, obviously on highlighting points. So I will do that. Okay guys, so Ness is applying a concealer again here under eye area pe. I will do that. Okay, so Ness is applying a powder on all of her
You want to go
face,
into precise areas.
including this area. So I will do that.
And take this. You can also bend this brush for Huda Beauty lashes. So I will just probably put on
Okay,
a
so
lid.
for mascara, she is using Huda Beauty mascara, and she already have her own lashes. But I don't have. But yeah, because she is not applying any false eyelashes, I'm not gonna use any false eyelashes. So yeah, I will use my mascara, which is this one. This is Maybelline Big Pixel mascara. So yeah, I will apply this one. Applying a liquid matte lipstick which is red undertone. It is looking so pretty, and I think it will match with this lipstick which is Bella Vosley White Child 06. I think it will kind of match. So yeah, let's try it.
Next next and final step is to do a little bit of this.
Okay, so next is applying a face mist, but I don't use face mist anymore. So here I'll be using this Faces Ka All Time Pro makeup setting spray. So yeah, this is the last step she is doing, and I will do so. You guys, so this is the final look. So guys, I never thought it would be turned out like this. I am loving it. Oh my god, you guys, it is looking so natural yet so classy for the lipstick only. I enjoyed a lot, but I wanted to know what's your opinion about it, because yeah, I'm loving it. I wanted to know that you guys loved it or not. That's it for my today's video. I hope you guys will love it. If yes, then don't forget to give this video a big fat thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, which is completely free. So I will see you in my next video with a new content. Till then, bye.